Okay, you will see that the last 3 weeks of your agenda look a little different. Hopefully, it's a little easier. We're starting to wind down to the end of the year. On your IXL, it says recommend, well, it tells you next up or try something new. So you'll find those on your recommendations page. So you log into IXL, you click on recommendations at the top, it might pop up the first screen, and you'll see right here it says next up, try something new, keep at it. So those are the same as what's written on your agenda, and you can see right here revisions, like that's going to be language arts, conjunctions, language arts, compare rational numbers, math. So you can tell which is math, which is language arts, but if you can't, there's a little book for language arts and this little prism thing for math. Okay? So you just find ones that match whatever it says for that day. If you can't find one for that day, that's the name, it's okay. Just do one of them, but try to find ones that match whatever it says that day you're going to do. Other than that, keep up the good work and text me if you need me, and look at your calendar to see if you have appointments with me the next couple weeks. Talk to you guys soon.